All right, let's get your Mac's Control Center in macOS 26 Tahoe set up just the way you like it. It's super flexible now with that slick liquid glass look. Ready? Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the Control Center. Look up at the top right corner of your screen. It's that icon in the menu bar that looks like a couple of toggle switches. Give it a click and you'll see the Control Center pop open with all your quick settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and maybe some focus modes. Now, to start customizing, the easiest is to open the Control Center and scroll to the bottom. There's an Edit Controls button waiting for you. Click that and you're in customization mode. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see a list of available controls. Some are Apple's built-in ones like sound or display. On the left, scroll through the list and pick something you want to add, like accessibility shortcuts or maybe a quick toggle for low power mode. Just drag it going into the panel. You can place them wherever you want. The controls will eventually move aside and gives you the flexibility to relocate them up. You can pick an icon for it and keep adding controls the same way. Take your time and play around where you want them. Place whichever toggles you need in your workflow. Each controls are categorized. Navigate through all the available items that you can utilize. If you change your mind and want to ditch a control, no sweat. Just click the little minus icon next to it or drag it out of the Control Center entirely. Poof, it's gone. Spend a few minutes tweaking it and it'll feel like the Control Center was made just for you. All right, everyone, that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.